my little chicken nuggets from a farm far away. How are you guys doing today? So today we're checking out this quick charger, SuperSi Pro. So let's go over a couple features for you guys before we get started. Alright, so it's got 30-watt dual port fast charger, foldable pins, smart recognition chip, supports multiple fast charge protocols, automatic pressure load monitoring. All right, let's check this out. All right, so let's see. Hidden inside the box, we have, well, those are cute. Look at these cute stickers that came with it. They are adorable. Ha, they're adorable. Little manual in here, a warranty card. Inside here, we have the charger itself. So nice, simple charger. Take off this plastic that they have on here. All right. So nice, simple, and basic design. I do like that it has a flip out for charging. So it's a USB charger port and also a Type-C charging port, and you just flick this out, you plug this in your wall outlet, and then you charge your devices. So we actually have a wall outlet right down here. We're gonna go ahead and test this out. So let's go ahead, take our Type-C cable that we have. Now we gotta decide which. All right, let's pull this one out. Pop this in. Oh, so, okay. Let's actually show you guys here. So guys, there is a light on the wall. And let's go ahead and plug this in. All right, so our phone set, all right, see it? Charging rapidly. So this product stands by their word. Well, guys, the proof is in the actual results. And as you guys saw, charging rapidly from 20% in just an hour and 17 minutes. But I bet you it's going to charge it in more like 60 minutes, which is an hour. Overall, guys, it works good. It looks good. I'm happy.